In every successful organization, finance is the language behind every decision. Yet many professionals still find it complex. So how can you elevate your financial understanding? Welcome to Kaplan Accounting Challenge, a one-of-a-kind AI-powered simulation designed specifically for non-finance professionals. The mission? Demystify financial principles and empower your team to enhance daily operations through financial literacy. Our 3-round simulation takes you behind the scenes of a company's financial journey. Master the fundamentals through preparation of the income statement and balance sheet in round 1. Move chips to track transactions and watch the accounting equation. Our AI tutor gives you instant feedback on every decision. Learn fast, stay balanced, and master the income statement and the balance sheet. In round 2, we move beyond profits to the cash flow of the business. You'll build your cash flow statement to see exactly how money enters and leaves the business. The AI tutor provides instant feedback to help you master your cash. Turn your numbers into a financial scorecard to evaluate business KPIs. Calculate key ratios to reveal the truth behind your business health. The AI tutor breaks down every ratio and trend. After each of the 3 rounds, scores are calculated based on both accuracy and speed, rewarding those who recorded the transactions correctly and quickly. Our AI guide chatbot is built into the simulation, ready to provide instant answers the moment you have a question. Empower your team to master the financial language of business and transform complexity into a financial advantage. Experience the Kaplan Accounting Challenge. Contact us to schedule your simulation today.